Morning, everybody. Good morning. Sorry for getting on late. We have about 10 minutes for market open. Probably not going to be on long either. Heck of the last couple days was busy, busy, busy. Let's see. Where is our TikTok at? Here we go. I wasn't going to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and share. All righty. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's off to a fine day. I just wanted to point out a few of my trades I have open that are longer term. I see some of you guys in the Discord kind of going in and out of the trade super quick. And I just wanted to point that out to you. Let me see if I can move this one. These are different accounts. I'm trying to see which one's which. I have no idea. I think one of these is an Eagle FX. Anyhow, let's take a look-see. Good morning, everybody. I did want to point out a couple things for y'all this morning, so we'll take a look. And then we'll get to making some calls. I'm not going to stay long. These are the two trades my still buys in that I have from 712 and 726. So yesterday and then 2 weeks ago. And these are the buy stops, US 30 and such. And then down here on my other computer to the right of me, sell stop 1 minute US 30, by the way. Sell stop 1 minute US 30. I don't know where we're at with everything. It looks like a 5 minute buy stop will form after that. But at any rate, this is a trade over here. I don't know if you can see this. This is for $11,000. And that's on US 30 on 6/1. So that's almost 2 months ago. And then this trade right here is from 7/12, 7/14. So this is a US 30 buy stop right here. 14,000, 11,000. This one's 10,000. This one's 16,000. So the magic isn't, you can get in and out quick, but the magic is in the holding, getting a runner and letting it run. That's where you really make your money at. Oh, and this trade over here is from 515. This is SPX. This is 4,000. So I'm actually up 420 pips on SPX on this one trade, just so we're all on the same page on that one. That's a lot of pips for SPX. That's unheard of. And that's almost 2.5 months now that trade is being held. And I hold some of these trades long because I never close a winning trade. And because, it's just what you do. I mean, you let them run. You just let it run forever. Remember, I have seven Eagle FX accounts, 2 Eagles Way, 1 Thinkorswim, 1 Tradeovite, 1 Pepperstone, 1 Nadex, and I'm sure I'm missing some. So you can hold trades for 2.5 months. You can hold trades for a couple months, couple weeks. Yesterday. All depends on what you want to hold. So that's all. Just want to point that out. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Botnator. Good morning, Looking Good. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, James. Good job, James. That 4-hour buy stop. Excellent. Good morning, Curtly. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Erica. Good morning, Builder. Good morning, everybody on YouTube, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Monique. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Bootlegger. Good morning, Sandro. Good morning, Marlon. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, EA. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Evan. Made 40 plus this morning using yay. Good morning, Martelek. Morning, FX. Excellent. Good morning, Metal Mine. Nice, Metal Mine. Congratulations. Good morning, Chris Milne. Good morning, Ranks. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Joe Leglio. Good morning, Dr. McCain. Mighty nice 4 hour buy. Everyone's riding that 4 hour buy. Morning, Patrick. Good morning, Terry Gross. Good morning, Ken. Better increase those thumbs up. Yes, that's true, Ken. Good morning, Metal Mine. Thank you for speaking up, Ken Rose. Good morning, Metal Mine. Good morning, Rob Gruthius. Good morning, Pip Hunter. Good morning, Joe Leggio. Good morning, Annie. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, Kent. Good morning, Jason L. Rock the Bach. Good morning, Keith. What's up, Keith? Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Green Mountains. Good morning, Joe Leggio. Good morning, Sandra. Yeah, I was just talking about that, Sandra. Good morning, Metal Mine. Good morning, Jamie Rojo. Good morning, Bootlegger. Good morning, Excellent. FX Excellent. Good morning, Monique. Never worried. The system's never wrong. Never worried. Good morning, Monique. Good morning, Byron. Good morning, Stephanie. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Metal Mine. Good morning, Green Mountains. Good morning, S2. Good morning, Green Mountains. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, FB. Good morning, David. Good morning, Metal Mine. Good morning, Shash. How much time do I have before I have to make calls? Shit, 6 minutes. Hold on. I got to make some calls. Good morning, Help in 60 seconds. Good morning, Shash. God bless you, Shash. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Metal Mine. I'd love to say good morning by name. Good morning, James Cochran. Oh, I love that you say good morning by name. Good morning, James. Yeah, everyone's important to me. Good morning, Neil. Good morning, Adam. Good morning. Good day. Good morning. One day closer of that OT to get system. Nice, Adam. Can't wait for you to get it. Good morning, Joe and Cindy. Yay. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Yay. Good morning, Paycheck. Good morning, Stefan. All right. So I got to make some calls. We'll come back to this whole business right here. Just realize when you let your runners run, you can let them go for, in this case, 611, 712, 714. So that's these. I'm going to pull that down here and get rid of them. And then this one right here is from 515 SPX. You never close a trade when you see on the higher time frames it'll keep going up. I've been in this trade almost 3 months, up 400 pips on SPX, where if you can get 5 pips on SPX, that's amazing. Anyway, I gotta go. Morning, Precious.
Good morning.
All right, and then this, of course, is what we're doing right now. So, yes. Precious in the house. I got to make some call outs, Precious. We got to get going. I told you 1 minute sell stop, US 30. You're in the money on 1 minute sell stop, US 30. Clearly see that. And I can go like this, and no one has to get confused anymore. That's your sell stop to the blue line, 1 minute US 30. It absolutely will. Let me get rid of this thing. It absolutely is going to at least move down. I don't know where the hell it's going automatically, but you're in the money. How much money are you in? Depending on when you went in, you are up at least 27 pips on that call I made just a few minutes ago when I went live. US 30, 1 minute. Let me get rid of, I don't have it. Oh, yay. 1 minute sell stop. Now let's see what else we got going on. US 30, 5 minute. US 35 minute. US 35 minute. Okay, let's take this away now. Oh, shit. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. Either don't play it or play it. Your choice. Hold on. 5 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. 1 minute sell stop US 30. 5 minute buy stop US 30. That's bare bones. That's all you need to know. Don't worry about anything else. 1 minute. NAS. Buy. 1 minute buy. 1 minute buy stop NAS. I am not going to call anything else out. SPX. 1 minute sell, 5 buy. They're all 3 1 minute buy stops. I'm all 3 1 minute sell stops. Let me write these out so no one gets confused. Let me go over here. I don't even know what we have available here. NAS, SPX, US 30, 1 minute sell stops. Go ahead and do a it's either going to be a 5 or a 15 minute. I'll take a look deeper in a second here. 5 minute buy stops. And you can just wait if you don't like it. And if you're absolute sure, if you're not comfortable trading 1 minute, don't trade them, okay? Just stay out of the market right now. It's too much for some people. But that sell stop's working out perfectly for you. Let me see that 5 minute. We have a little more seconds here. Yeah, you could enter a 5 minute buy right here. Let me see if it's a 15 minute. See, it hasn't broke yet. I would do it off the 15 minute line if I was going to do that. 1 minute sells, all three indices. 5 minute buys. How much time do you have left, Precious? A minute and a half. Okay, I can live with that. Let me see what Naz is doing.
Good morning, sunshines.
That's Precious's voice right there. I missed you this morning. I'm going to need that scanner, says Ramalaj. Yep, scanners are fantastic, either or all three technically coming up. That's your buy stop. 1 minute on thing. That's fine. Or just do the 5 minute. It doesn't matter. Whichever way you want to play these. I'm not, we're wide open here. We're not any. Let's see that 5 minute. It hasn't really fallen enough. I'd like Naz to pull back down before I'd enter that trade, but you can go ahead and do it. I'd like Naz to come down. Look at US 30 is coming down. Let me go up to the market watch here. So that US 30 sell stop is pure gold. 1 minute buy stop SPX. US 30, you're in a 1 minute sell. US 30, you can pull into a, look at that, go straight down to the blue line. Boom, baby. Look at that. I do have to add in a couple boxes here, but we'll have to get to that in a second. Remember, not a financial advisor, YouTube channel safety trade, blah, blah, blah. Have fun. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30. 5 minute, it's actually going to be a 15 minute buy stop. 15 minute buy stop, US 30. If I have time, I'm going to drop this in real quick. Let me put this in over here. And then, oh, geez, really? I got to redo that whole thing now. Oh, well. Let me see. Is it interfering with this at all? No. I think I can drop this down here for now. Get that out of the way. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30. There she blows. There she goes down. Let me see if Naz is doing anything. Hold on. Is Naz doing touch, not a touch, touch to the blue line? Am I not seeing that clearly? Yes, we have touch to the blue line, US 30. It wicked down and touched it. That's awesome. That's all we need. Let me switch over to Naz over here so I can look at something. Yep. We have a touch. Let me go ahead and go over to Naz here. Well, hold on. I want to get back here a second. Wait a second. Oh, geez, our pizza. Okay, everyone have fun with this. Do what you want. I'm going to go back over to Naz and see how she's looking. Yep. Buy stop 1 minute Naz. That's all you can do, but I don't really want to call that. I want it to pull back down further. So either you're in your buy stop and Naz like I am long term, or you just have to wait. There's nothing else you can do. All right, let me see SPX. SPX was the only, yeah. And you just can't do anything with it. Just wait. Sell, stop, SPX, let it go down. If you want to wait for the buy again, let it come down below this yellow and red line right here. And we'll get in again. But SPX, I'm not going to touch right now. Just wait. And Naz, you're either in that buy stop. We're up from yesterday. We're up 200 pips. I have a locked in take profit of 115. US 30, what is she doing? Buy stop. But you have to go up to the 5 minute for entry. Oh, that is 5 minute. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Ricochet, sell, stop. Let it come back up on the pink purple. Look at how beautiful this was. You guys ever want to see something? The safety trade, right? That's what we got. Let me move this over here. This is what you're looking at, right? But this is the sniper. Blue came down. Pink arched up. pink and purple both. Pink crossed down to the blue line. That's the trade Mom needs to take. Mike needs to trade. Somebody else in the family that won't be named. All the Eric. Who are the other people? Who's that one guy who was having problems? That's the trade. They're all better? Oh, okay. Ken, that's the trade you need to take, sir. KSR Mason. That right there is a trade you need to take. The one I just called out for you. Oh, hold on a second. I think I'm in the money on that buy. Hold on. Jiminy Christmas. I can't see anything. Yes. We're up $260 on the buy right here that I placed. This must be US 30s buy, but this is actually going to turn into a sell. But I'm going to go ahead and lock this in just in case we get a nice little push on that. So what this is right here, why I took this buy stop is off the 15-minute buy. You can see that it went between the red and yellow. You can see that the blue was high. Pink was coming up. You can see that it was going to bounce off. That's why I'm in this trade. I'm up $281 at the moment. I'm not saying it's not going to go back down. I'm just saying I made $240, $274, $288, $299 right here, $300. I just made $299. So that's all I'm saying is you can make money with that movement up like that. So let me take a look. So that's how I did that play. That's why I'm in that play. I told you what to do. I did it. There it is. There's my trade. And then I didn't get the chance to do the morning one with the sell, which is perfect. NAS, there's nothing you can do. NAS is just on fire. Wow. I hope you guys made some money with that US 31. Look at, there's your, the SPX one's the only one I've kind of officially called for that buy. You just got to wait for it now. There's nothing you can do on SPX. Remember, that was our 15-minute buy stops. I can't do it, though. I mean, look at, they're too far away. NAS too far away. They're just in a strong up push. The one we had the opportunity to get into, which we did, was US 30. And now it's coming back down. It's ricocheting back down to its blue line. But again, I made whatever that was, $240, $280. I'm happy. All right. This is a beautiful developing sell stop. You should already be in the trade on the down, which means I wrote it up. You guys could have wrote it down about 10, 12, 15 pips. There it goes. This is the only one we actually have plays, and I can't call anything else out of NAS or SPX because they're just going up. There's nothing to do. All right. You're definitely in the money on that sell stop if you want to take that. Oh, I meant to cover that up, but I'm not talking about the sniper. I do this and see, sniper goes away. There it comes down. You're in the money on the original sell. You're in the money on the buy that I did. You're in the money on the sell right now, back down the ricochet down to the, it's ricochet. It's bulletproof. It's palladium. You know the words to every song, and I slaughter every song. Titanium. Thanks, precious. Look at that one. What's that note taking me? What do you think? I don't want to say anything. I don't jinx nothing. And then we got to push those videos from the day I never did post. I got to post those videos. All right. How we doing out there? Everybody making money? Good morning, Bree. Kim Bernard. It's a 1-minute buy stop on SPX. Correct. Good job, Kim. Yes, it is. It was. Anthony Villaboza. Yes. Ken. Yeah, Ken says thanks. You're welcome. And also this trade, by the way, this 1-minute sell stop ricochet, Ken, is also you. Look, there it goes down. It's going to go back down and actually touch the blue line or come closer again. As you can see, this is US 30, by the way. I need to move that sign over. Good morning. Good morning, Sam UK. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Robel. Gold went to its 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour blue line in about 40 minutes time. Nice. I hope you made some money on that, PK. James Cox is flashing his money signs. He's done. Good job, James. Have a great day. Get both the sell stop and buy stop in US 30. Awesome. Cop post says Botnator. Close 59 bits of NAS with the set it and forget it last night. Nice, Patrick. Congratulations, Patrick. Well, gold hit its 4-hour blue line. Good morning, Dr. Rena. Good morning, Andrew. I made more money on both trades. Woohoo. Nice, Kim. Yay. Kim's making money, precious. Yay. All right, now, Kim the Candle Lady. Let's take a look at gold. All right, peeps, let's take a look at gold. Simple system, by the way, everything's set up color coded. I just want you all to realize that it's very easy to do. As you see, all the members you're hearing on here are making money. Oh, that's beautiful. Well, hello, let's see what the hell this is. This had to be like a 15-minute or 5-minute, 15-minute. Oh, look at it go. 30-minute. Nice. 30-minute, 1 hour. Look, oh, that's what he's talking about. Hit the 1 hour. Look at gold go down like a rock. I'm not liking the fact that I'm not seeing what I want to see on this. Hold on a second. It's titanium. It's bulletproof. Nothing to lose. Fire away. If you didn't know how to get rid of your objects on your thing, you go into objects, you list all, then you click on what you want and delete them, and then we won't have those stupid ass lines right there, the crosshairs. All right, let's go back over what we're seeing here and why this did what it did. We have a nothing. We have a 1 minute sell. We have a this is the Bach. This is the sniper Bach break. I guarantee you this is yeah, watch. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, and then this was red. Was that where this happened at though? I have to see. So the Bach break, actually, the Bach sell stop was actually a 5 minute. Let me see something here. This is why I like having all my charts open, but my charts open. Fine. Let's take a look the old-fashioned way. Let me go slow here. I like going hyper. 5 minute. Look at gold go. Bach break. Green. Nope. Had to be the 1 minute then. Let me see. Bach break here. Green. And we're into a red. Bach broke to the red to the 5 minute. It would have been an interesting call. I don't know if we'd have called this. I'd have to say this. Maybe you would have caught the 1 minute, but you would not have caught the 5 minute. Sell stop filling the gap right here, but that's not what I'm talking about. I don't think you guys would have caught this. I'm surprised any of you played that. That shouldn't have been played. A 1 minute play, yes, but there's no catch here. There's no, see, no, I would never have called that on a 15-minute, 30-minute. Nope. 30-minute, 1 hour. Nope. 1 hour for nope. Nope. The only play you guys could have made on gold was a 1 minute period. 1 minute, 5 minute period. That's it. It's titanium. So that's an interesting call. If any of you played gold, I think you might have winged that one because you only could have possibility with done the thing. Oh, what's Nas doing here? It's titanium. It's bulletproof. Let me see what it looks like here on this. The entry you would have made on this one, but in the fill in the gap blue crossing right here on the NAS, by the way, that was an easy one. Yeah. See the NAS with the 5 minute down? That's your play. So that one's easy. That was obvious. Let me see SPX. I'm pretty sure SPX look the same to me. Hold on. It's titanium. It's bulletproof. Yeah. Oh, yeah. SPX is going to go up more, I have a feeling. So you might want to look for some 1 minute buys on that. What do we have here? US 30. It's titanium. It's bull. How many people are on TikTok? Do you know? Good morning, Kraken. Good morning, Looking Good. Good morning, Botnator.
30.
Oh, okay. Okay. Never mind. We'll leave it. 100 on thing. We need more people with the thumbs up on YouTube. You got about 2 minutes. If I don't see 80s on the thumbs up, I'm just going to go over to TikTok. So whatever, your choice. I don't really care. It doesn't matter to me. So do what you guys want, but I'm going to need more than 60 people out of 100 watching, 110 watching. Get out of here. Nope, not doing it. All right, let's see. I was here all morning and there was no clear entry. That's what I'm saying, Pip Hunter. Scanner called a 30-minute blue line. Oh, it did? The scanner did? Well, damn mofo. Scammer's better than I am, and I'm the scanner. That's pretty interesting. Can this system also be used for Forex pairs? 100%. I'm glad you asked it. Who asked that? Green Mountain. Here you go, Green Mountain. This is awesome. Boy, you guys are going to get it now. People know what's coming. Can it also be used for Forex pairs? Bingo, Bob. Let's take a look-see. Oh, let me see. Forex. All Forex, including and limited to all your majors and crosses. All Forex is on a scanner. There's a new one, Eurochef. You should check it out. Sell stop, 1 minute. This is a new one. Look at that. Look at the power in the palm of your hand. Look at this. Buy stops, New Zealand, Japan. Yes, it works on Forex. Yes, it works on currency pairs. Yes, it works on gold on all 8 time frames. Look at it. This scanner scans everything. Oh, well, up to 200 or more different symbols. All major cryptos it scans for all 8 time frames. Look at it. Doge, DOT, IOTA, Litecoin, NEO. I don't even know what some of these other things are. XRP, baby. And it also works on stocks. Yes, we broke the stock market, only $200 billion a day compared to $7.2 trillion a day Forex, but it's still 200 billions for us. Amazon, over 55 different stocks that's trading right now. BABA, buy, 5 minute, BNPP.PA. Come on, guys. What the hell is that? None of you know what that is. Sell stop 1, though. It's tracking all of these. CVX, 5 minute sell. Look at them all. Look at them all. FDX, 1 minute buy. 55 different stocks. There's Melly. I don't even know what that is. 5 minute sell stop. So it's doing all crosses, all majors on Forex, all indices, all metals, all major cryptos, and 55 stocks. Yeah, our system is that cool. It does all that shit. It's amazing. On all 8 time frames. It's scanning and scanning to trade just like me. I get people all the time, I want to copy you. I want to do a copy trader. Here's it is. Buy the system, get the scanner. It trades just like me. There it is. It's amazing. Utterly, stunningly amazing. Nothing as good as that. Nothing as good as that. 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute buy. Yeah, I told you that. You're in a 5 minute, 15 minute buy. Did I not write that down? And a 1 minute sell. We didn't hit the blue line, so I think we still need to come back down here. We'll see. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30. NAS, nothing we can do. Is just rocket shipping upward. It's titanium. 15 minute buy stop, by the way, which you're in the money on again on the US 30. Pull away. How can it be both same time? That's how you work the safety trade. That's why you learn the safety trade. Da, 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 da. Precious. Precious. Buy the damn system. What is it, Precious?
Yes, Stephanie, there's the scanner, and then there's the sniper edition scanner rooms. They are 2 separate things.
John said that's his wedding. Look how thin I was. I don't remember being that thin. Kind of unusual. I think I was sick.
Was you at his wedding?
His wedding. I was his best man. Botner said, buy the system. Andre Britis. What's up, Andre? What's up, Kraken? What's up? Looking good. 100 people in here with 17 likes. 84 likes now. Refresh your page, Chris. No, if there was 17 likes, I would leave. I would just walk out. We wouldn't be here. Come on, people. Come on. Our scanner and Cypher are awesome. Get the system for you and your family. It will change your life. Absolutely, Kim. Love that energy here. Yep. Green Mountain. Welcome, buddy, by the way. Stephanie got you. Pip Hunter. Price was above the line, came down and went back above for the 5 minutes. So the buy line happened between 10:45 and 15:45. So happens. So the blue line happened between 10:45. I don't know. Pip Hunter, we talking about gold? Oh, Green Mountain said, okay, I'm going to get the system. Nice. Everyone welcome Green Mountain aboard. He's going to get the system. Sell stop 1 minute, by the way. Sell stop 1 minute, US 30, and that's all I can call. NAS and that. Now I'll look through a whole bunch of other symbols for you guys, but that's all we got at the moment. Speaking of which, dang, I got it. I lost my. There, she blows. All right. All right, let's take a look. Let's read gold. Let's see what we got. Gold. 1 minute. Sell stop's about to form. It's going to come back up, arch up. Gold. Gold. Nothing we can do. It's too hard of a job. I wouldn't touch gold. It's fallen too far. It's ridiculous. I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch that. You've already had your chance. U.S. oil. U.S. oil, same thing as UK oil. They run together. Just what they do. 1 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. Let's see. Yep. Play any 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. U.S. oil. U.S. oil, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute Bach? No. 30 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute? No. 5 minute Bach break? No. Holy shit. Play the 1 minute sell stop. I'm trying to find you any kind of entry. Looks like it's going to be a 15 minute buy stop here in a minute. That's all daily, weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. Daily, weekly sell stop to the weekly blue line. Weekly, monthly buy stop on oil. That sucks. That's horrid. That means higher gas prices for us. I would never call oil because that for like a few months I wouldn't do it. XRP, 1 minute. XRP, baby. 1 minute buy stop, XRP. Where's she at anyways? 71 cents. You go, XRP. Come on now. XRP, nothing on the 5 minute that I can call. 15 minute, no Bach break. Really? 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. 30 minute. 30 minute buy, 1 hour sell. 4 hour buy, XRP. But it's still not a broken Bach. Really? It is what it is. Meaning I still think it's going to come down further to the yellow line on red yellow line on the daily before it arches back up. But it is what it is. It still is a weekly sell stop to the blue line, XRP. Monthly buy stop. And that monthly buy stop can and will probably yield, well, unmanipulated, where they kind of take things over and start cheating. Cheating worse than they normally cheat. $1.63 is definitely in play, and $2 is definitely in play. I happen to own XRP, so take what I say with a grain of salt because I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just throwing it out there to you. That's all I'm doing. Let's see right here. Yeah, I agree with my assessment. I agree with myself. Ethereum is Bitcoin. They're joined at the hip. Whatever Bitcoin does, usually, generally speaking, Ethereum does. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line for Ethereum. Bitcoin, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line for Bitcoin. Ethereum, 5 minute. Ethereum. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line, Ethereum. Ethereum that will then form. Come on, give me some kind of, yes. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop, Ethereum to the blue line. Can you answer that for Brent? 5 minute, 15 minute to the blue line buy stop. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute to the 30 minute blue line buy stop. Ethereum. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour? 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line, Ethereum. Daily, nothing. Weekly, nothing. Weekly sell stop, technically. Monthly buy stop. Let's go to Bitcoin. Going to 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute sell stop.
Yes, sir.
5 minute buy stop to the 15 minute blue line. 5 minute buy stop to the 30 minute blue line. 1 hour sell to the 4 hour blue line. Daily buy. Weekly sell. Monthly buy. I just think you're about to see some money in these things.
Okay. Yes, sir. I will do that. Okay. Yes, sir.
UTSHEF is the complete opposite of ERUSD. So whatever I call for UTSHEF will be for ERUSD will be the opposite. See that? Look, UTSHEF going what? Up? Did you say anything important?
We need to send a picture of the carpet.
Oh, it's right there. The one you want. Okay. Yeah, so look at it go up. Zing, that's UDSHF going up. ERUSD going down to its blue line. So watch. If you guys ever want to do a real safe play, but no one ever does this because people don't pay attention to what I say, you can see clearly that this 1 minute is going to the blue line up on UDSHF. You can see just as clearly when that happens, ERUSD goes down to its blue line. Imagine if we had a scanner that can do that, Keith. Hint, hint. Andre, who doesn't listen to me. Andre does what he wants. At any rate, ERUSD, 1 minute. It's 1 minute sell. Look how great that is. 1 minute sell, 1 minute sell. No, my gosh. Look at that blue line, 30-minute blue line. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line of the 4 hour. This is also a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 1 hour blue line. This is also, oh, we went up and hit that again, didn't we? It's going to come arch all the way down here. Weekly buy stop, daily weekly buy stop. Then it's a weekly, monthly sell stop to the monthly blue line. Oh, we might be at the peak. Yeah, this might be it. This might be the pull down that we're going to see a crash on. Oh, this would be fun. Not that I ever say the word crash. This will be where it's a nice big down and we'll make lots of money on the way down to the monthly blue line. That's what I'm telling you. This is awesome. Unless you don't like the digital dollar, then it's not awesome. But I'm just saying, I'm just talking out loud. Triple top too. Interesting. Anyway, that's ERUSD. All right, next, GBP USD. GBP USD. It's titanium. 1 minute sell, nothing to do. 5 minutes. Look, it's be the same thing. They're always the same. 15-minute. Look at that. Bingo, boppo, bango. Touch the blue line. Thing of perfection right there. Nothing we can do with it, though. Maybe the 1 hour. Yes. Play any 1 minute sell stop to the 1 hour blue line of GBP USD. 4 hour. Nothing yet. It's going to turn into a 4 hour daily buy. It is. 4 hour daily buy. Weekly sell to the monthly blue line of ERUSD. That is correct. I used two different symbols in back and back. It's kind of wild. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Look at it too. Nothing we can do. 1 minute sell going rocketing downward, rocketing downward, rocketing downward to the 15, to the 30, to the 1 hour. GBP JPY. Play any 1 minute sell stop you can on GBP JPY down to the 1 hour blue line. It'll then form a 4 hour buy stop, GBP JPY. But I've already called this out to the monthly the last 6 months for you. You should have made so much money you don't even need me anymore, but whatever. 1 minute. Let's see what we got going on. Look how beautiful that is. 1 minute. Let me see if that's true. Hold on. SPX 500, also known as SPY. 1 minute buy stop. SPX 500. 1 minute buy stop. Personally, it's too high. It's got to come back down again. Whatever. Marcus, don't listen to me all the time. All I can tell you is this was a weekly, monthly buy stop. And look at the buy. Look at this. What time was this? 31515. Right here. Look at this. This is a perfect buy stop. You couldn't draw this any better. It went down, broke the Bach on the weekly. The monthly stayed green. It went right in between the yellow and the red. It went up. Oh, you're not in the trade. I'm in the trade almost 3 months on SPX buy. So yeah, I did know it was coming in. Yes, I did take the trade, and yes, I am in it. So there is that. I'm up 400 pips on the trade. So out of a possible 529, I'm up 420 of those on SPX. I mean, look at it. Just a thing of picture-perfect gorgeousness. It avoids you going in and out in 2 seconds, whatever. That's how you know to stay in the trade, by the way, long term. You're seeing it. Let's take a look at NAS. It's probably rocketing still. Let me see. 1 minute. 1 minute. Buy stop. NAS. 1 minute. Fill in the gap and also sniper trade. Little iffy because the 5 minute already did what it's got to do. Let me see if we can get a better entry for you. See, look at the 30 minute. Look at the sniper work. Wow, that's fucking incredible. That's all good. 4 hour buy, daily buy, weekly buy. Look at this weekly, monthly. Boom, baby. Weekly, monthly. It's up It's up 3,000 pips. 3,000 pips on a weekly, monthly buy. Oh, we might be entering in a bull market. I saw a story yesterday. You might. We're already up 3,000 pips. You might be a day late and $1 short. MSNBC and thing. Yeah, they'll tell you that you're in a bull market when the bull market's already over with. I'm telling you when the bull market starts months ago. It's titanium. 1 minute buy stop. But again, I mean, it's after 3,000 point run up. Really? I don't know. I've got a few hundred pips on that one. I think several hundred pips on my other trades. Let's take a look at US 30, see if we can get you any more money today on US 30, even though we made a shit ton. Yeah. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30. Let's see if that's confirmed now. Ooh, it is not. All right, fine. Still calling it. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30. If you don't want to do it, 5 minute buy stop, US 30. If you don't want to do that, I don't know, go home and cry. Look at this. Look at that beautiful buy. Look at that. How much prettier and perfect. Look at that. So I didn't catch all of this down here. I'm sorry. On this account, I only caught from here to here, which was about 1,000 pips. Sorry, I only got 1,000 pips out of that. My bad. But I wasn't entering it off the day, off the weekly. I was entering it off the daily and monthly. So there is that. Oh, the 4 hour. I'm sorry. The last entry was right here, 4 hour. And I'm up 800 and change pips. And that's just in that one account. My other account, I'm up way, way more. 6-1. Let's go back to 6-1. It's titanium. In my other account, yeah, this is the other one we got into. So 6-1. In my other account, I'm up. Whoa, is that right? 4/10 into 2. Yeah, 2,444 pip. Wow, that is insanity. I should pull that account over again. Wow. Damn, that's nice. Let's see what's happening. Oh, look, you're in the money on the 1 minute sell stop. You're in the money on the 1 minute sell stop. I just told you about a minute ago. Either take profit and close it down, or if you have two, let one run. This is literally up 19 pips. Take your money out and run. I called this out just a second ago. Right when I called it, you guys should have took the trade. I'm not a financial advisor, so maybe not take my trades. I don't know. Don't listen to a word I'm saying other than make money. All right. I think we're good. Banging, says Metal Mind. No problem if not. If you have time, Kevin, we have some great questions in chat. Absolutely not. You can ask them here. I'm not looking in chat. Oh, you mean chat here? My bad. I thought you meant Discord. How do you make money on the down? Do a sell stop. Buy the system and learn it and make money, says Rashid. Went your music? No, Raul. That's not what it means. I think it's best you buy the system and learn from Kevin. Weekly classes, all questions are asked there. That is correct. That's what I meant, Estee. That's what I was going to rip people for. You can make money on the way down. Yeah, absolutely. You make money on the way down and the way up. When you say 1 hour buy stop, 4 hour buy stop, does that mean buy within the hour, sell it for? No, not at all, Raul. You have to buy the system, bud. Say I'm looking at gold on a USD seem to act exactly. They always do. Not always. There's about a 97% correlation between ERUSD and gold. Thanks for 70 pips. I'm done for the day. You're welcome. Helping 60. Martelock US 30 just made a shit ton. Buy stops to pending orders, not market orders. Correct. Whoever said that. Pip Hunter, excellent. Stephanie and people you need to buy a system. Thank you, Stephanie, for speaking up without being asked. Martin, I do appreciate that very much. Martin Obom, good morning, everyone. This is what makes system so strong as it works in so many markets. Just buy it. You won't regret it. Thank you, Martin. I don't remember you speaking up much. Thank you very much for speaking up. So I need to get scanner as well. No, you don't. I got Sniper System thinking it was the scanner. Silly me. I'll reach out an email to get the scanner. Stephanie, yeah, they're two separate things. The Sniper System works on basically, I have it working on 4 different symbols right now. Really all you need, actually. But if you like to trade more in different symbols, the scanner's for you then, the actual scanner. There's a Sniper System, and then there's the safety trade system scanner. Richard Graham, good morning. LT, welcome. Thank you. What are buy stops, sell stops? Pending orders, Raul. Yes, wondering if you could analyze Pip Hunter. I don't know what to analyze. Prices above the line came down and went back down. Buy the system and follow the system. That is the key, says Andrew. That is true, Andrew. Love the energy here. Okay, I'm not sure, Pip Hunter. If you want to ask again, maybe I can help you out. He'll get to them when he calls. Slow down, be patient, watch and learn. Absolutely. Raul, I already answered your questions, and thank you, Country Music. Correct. And there's your sell stop to the blue line happening before your very eyes, making Botnator more money, making Looking Good making more money, making Kraken more money. See the sell stop called out? See the sell stop called out? See the sell stop going to the blue line? Is it going to go down there? I don't know. Did you guys just should have got in somewhere around here? You should be up somewhere, should all over yourself. 22 pips. Yep, absolutely. Did I call it based off the sniper? Yes. Did I call it based off the regular safety trade system? Look, this is a safety trade system right here. Red, green, red, sell stop to the blue line. This isn't rocket scientists. Anyone can do it. We have 4-year-olds, 4-year-old or 5-year-old, 4-year-old or 5-year-old little girl. The dad was saying, and she said, red, green, red, sell stop, daddy, or something like that. It's on one of our videos. Look at it. And you don't believe me, believe what's happening in front of your very eyes. You don't believe that. I called the down the first time, right before it happened. I went in and bought the buy on the buy stop all the way back up. And I told you guys to take the sell right here. There it is. 3 correct calls all morning long right there. Not to mention NAS, but I mean, that's just a rocket ship. You can't do anything about it. Buy stop NAS 1 minute, by the way. Again, you just made money on the second time on NAS. The first time I couldn't get it for you. The second entry we did. And there it is. There it is. Now, there is such a thing called the sniper system. That's totally different. The sniper is this. Blue came down. Pink came up. This is the trade. This is the trade. Oh, God, I'm going to have to do it again. Okay. I'm about to make a training video for everybody in the thing, including family. I wish I could go on YouTube. You think if I go on YouTube right now while I'm on YouTube, I can do it live on YouTube through YouTube Live? Or do you think it'll blow up YouTube? I'm going to try it. Let's see what the hell. Okay, if I lose you guys on YouTube, it's not because I don't like you. I'm going to try to do a live within a live. I wonder what it's going to do. Oh, shit. I think it's going to do it. Oh, my God. I could add those other videos in there. Holy shit, it's going to do it. Is it really? Well, I'm going to monetize this. Oh, no, I don't know if I monetize this. Oh, God, I forgot to do it again. The other day when I did Mike's and the family one, we had like 600 views and I didn't get a penny for that shit. We didn't make anything. Smile for a thumbnail. It's going to do it. Oh, my God. We're going to go live within a live. So we're live on TikTok. I'm live on YouTube. And I'm going to go live on YouTube again. I think. Oh, my God. I think I'm live. This is fun. All right. Never done this one before. All right. This is what we got going on. Price starts above. Price comes below. Told to go down below. Our bullshit detector pulled back up over here, causing us to go back up. It went between our little red and yellow line. Down it went. That was towards the blue line. That's all the trade you guys ever need to know. If you're using the sniper, you'll see that the blue dropped down. Pink arched up. The purple arched up. The pink crossed. You went in and you took your sell stop on the way down. That's how you take that trade. I then called the normal sell stop again. Red, green, red, sell stop. Went up between our channel. It's coming back down towards this blue line again. And then again, look at our sniper. Pink rose, purple rose, pink cross. Down it went. There it is. That's how you make your trades. Mom, Mike, an unknown family member that I won't name the name of, a couple other people, Ken, Eric. There's a whole bunch of people out there. These are the only trades you take going towards the blue line. Listen to me. There's no one's secret. There's nothing special. There's no other things. I don't teach my family anything other than I teach you. Mike Gawinski, Michelle Gawinski, Chris Smith, every one of you that are friends and family of me. And you know, if I'm calling you friends and family, you are family. Every one of you. Mom, please, this is the trade. It starts above. Let me draw it out for you guys. Look at this. Price starts high. Price is told to come down because of our arrow. Our bullshit detector rose back up, so we rose back up. Then it came back down. And why did it come back down? Because our well, depending on filling the gap right here, or if you'd rather use our sniper system, which is to me way superior, it comes down. The blue line came down. Pink came up. Purple came up. They arched and came down. Price came down. Then you're going to see pink come up again. Purple come up again. Then you're going to see our actual safety trade right here the first time it happened, which is nothing more than red, green, red, sell stop to the blue line, and you can see it coming down again. That's our logo. That's what happens over and over and over again. Those are the only trades you guys need to take. Mike, Mom, Mike Glowinski, Michelle Glowinski, Eric. Do I have to name every one of you out? I don't want to name a couple of these other people out, but that's it. Please. These are the 2 trades you take in your lives. Quit trying to trade everything in their mother. Become an expert on US 30 NAS and SPX. Master them. Teach this to someone else. Look at fall down before your very eyes towards the blue line. Yet some of you will decide, I don't want to buy the system. What more can I do than teach you, show you, give you the same tools? Look at this. As it drops down to the blue line, making you more and more money. And yes, I am live within a live. Let's go over here. There's the live on TikTok. Everyone say hello, YouTube and TikTok. I'm on YouTube live, through TikTok live, through YouTube live, and we're on all the lives. So there it is. There's Botnator looking good, cracking. There's Patrick. There it is. There's Pip Hunter over there, country music. You can see yourselves. Health. Eric, this is the only trade you're to take. Eric, where is who's the guy that wrote the book? Where's he at? Danny. Where's Danny at? This is the only trade you take, Danny. Look, that's me watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me, watching you, watching YouTube. And that's what I'm seeing. Now you come over here. Here's the live. There it is. If you look over here, you're going to see my other computer system. Look, there's another one to the right of me. And that's also live. Look at it. Bam. Touchdown to the blue line. Touchdown to the blue line. You're welcome. Everyone, thank God. Everyone, thank God. Look at this. This is a sweet training video. I have 7 people watching from another one. This is insane. Any rate, there you go. You're welcome. Touchdown. What do I mean by touchdown? Your price is touched and tapped down to the blue line. There it is. There it is. Awesome. There's our money. That's how you make your trades. This is the only trades. If I see people on my Discord are emailing me questions, you're gonna be responded with just this video. That's all you're getting. This is the only trade you need to take. I explained the normal safety trade system. I explained the sniper system. There you go. That's what you do. You're welcome. God bless. Everyone remember me saying God bless when I come back on here. If you're not thanking God, if you are not thanking God, when I look back over to TikTok and YouTube, I'm ending my session now. All right, as it is, I'm going to end this small one right now. See you guys. Talk to you later. This is so great. Now I can do a live and do my training. I have the other 2 on my phone. I still have to upload if you have to do. This is perfection. How the hell did I do that? So YouTube is literally having 2 lives. Was that not fun, guys? Who had fun with that? Now, do I see thank gods or don't I? Because if I don't, boy, we're ending. All right, I'm looking on YouTube first. So those thank gods are yes or no? No, Raul. Bang, country music. Thank God says FX Excellence. Estee says thank God. Okay, Green Mountain, God bless. Thank God. Sam UK, Amy, thank God. Of course, thank God. Thank the Lord. Thank you, Kevin. Joe Cindy. Kevin, boom. This is insane. So hysterically fun. I know, isn't it fun to make money and help people make money? Look at this. And by the way, people are like, oh, this isn't your this isn't a candle. These are lines. This isn't a candle. You just go over to your properties. You go over to your properties, you go underneath your little common, and you can change them. They're just made up bullshit. So it doesn't matter whether it's a candle, a bar chart, or a line. It doesn't matter. It's all a scam. Watch. There's your candles. Oh, that's a candle? Yeah, that's a candle. And there's your money. And there's your money on the safety trade. And there it is. What more can I do for some of you to buy the system? What more can I do to make you buy it for your family and friends and your loved ones? What more can I do? Please, someone, tell me what more I can do to have you buy the system for your family and your loved ones. What more? Do I cuss too much? Sorry, I've gotten better, but that's the life. Why aren't you helping your friends and your neighbors and your aunts and your uncles and your brothers and nieces and nephews? Why aren't you buying the system for them? Watch, when you buy it for them, you help them out, and then you teach it to them, and you help yourself out. That's how you master the system. Oh, but I'm going to go in the Discord, and you're going to be led by the blind. The blind's going to lead the blind. You don't need to go in the Discord. You need to teach it to someone. When you're talking in a Discord, you're talking to people who are just as confused, as lost as you are. Makes no sense. And I'm not going to answer Discord questions. I'm not going to answer direct emails. If you have a question, ask it here on the live. I will answer it now. But I'm asking you a question. What more does it take? How many times? Over a year, over 600 videos, live videos of me having 100% daily win rate, teaching you how to use the system and perfecting it more and more, giving you scanners for free, giving you scanners for $50 a month, giving you a sniper for $150 a month. As cheap as I can keep the price down, I'm keeping it down for you guys. And all I ask for you to do is spread the word. Help me get it out there. If I wanted to keep it to myself, I can pull this back and never renew any of your guys' stuff and close this down and keep it like I did for the first 2 years. I kept the system to myself for 2 years, over 2 years. I made all the money I wanted. And then I released it to you guys. So again, help me out. If I didn't want to share this, I will take it back from you and I will not renew anyone's stuff. And I will keep this to myself and my family members again. I don't have to share this with you guys. Reloading 50 cal. So get the word out. Tell everyone about this. I don't want 500 or 1,000 people. I want 10,000 people. I want 100,000 people. I want everybody that lost money through, and I'm not allowed to say who, through the big boys out there, from their stupid AIs trying to outsmart us. Well, we're not dumber than AIs. Humans still are superior to AI. And I don't care. And yes, I'm proud of that fact. And it's reloading for another sell stop, US 30. But come on, tell your friends and family, what more do you need? How much more proof do you have to have than someone making money every day in front of you and calling out trades, either minutes before, days before? Sometimes I call these trades out weeks before. I'll draw them out. I'll type them out. What else do you want? I don't know. Respect the candle, Father. Buy this. Metal, mine, you're nuts. Thank God. Thank Kevin. K-Rose, for those that system, this support you get every day. Buy the system. Thank you, K-Rose. Also, trading is great, and Kevin has weekly money trading systems help us with anything. I'm telling you, I'm betting the whole UK on it. Watch me. I'm getting the whole UK. Billy, I don't doubt Billy for a second. Billy, what time is it? Do I have time? Yeah. Billy, do you want to call in for a minute real quick and tell people your story? Do you mind? You don't have to, but if you don't mind, I would appreciate that, Billy. If you would call in, that'd be awesome. What's up, Builder? Two silly Siberians. Good morning, Doc. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Janelle. Good morning, Lock. Two silly Siberians, welcome aboard. Henry, welcome aboard. Henry. Kevin buying system today. Expect my payment. Nice, Henry. Welcome aboard. Thank you guys for welcome. I didn't even welcome. I didn't even see it. This is hang on, Coach. Yes, sir. Let me hide. Let me hide. Oh, are you at work, Billy? Don't get in trouble. Oh shit. Is he calling from work? He's probably going to the bathroom. Oh shit. Billy, don't do that.
Don't get in trouble, Billy.
Billy, please. Without system by system, Metal Minds, K-Rose 100% correct. I'm trying to teach some friends, but are real lazy. Fortunately, one is smart. After summer season, we'll start to follow live and probably we'll go somewhere together. Nice, Stefan. The sniper has kept me out of trades I shouldn't be in. Thank you. I'm in the money today. Yay, Amy Lou. See, that's how you use it. Even if the sniper doesn't get you in a trade, it can keep you out of a trade too, because you know that it's the wrong thing when these things are going up. Yep. Thank you for doing live trading. Absolutely. Henry, remember, we all have Kevin's back. When you join us, Kev, we have you covered. Absolutely. We'll have each other's back. We're all here together to make money. We're all helping each other make money, right? So let's just keep doing it with more people. That's all I'm asking. I didn't want to keep the thing to myself because, well, there's a couple of reasons on that one. And then I helped this guy. Where's John been? Moray from South Africa. And then I felt real good about helping them. And then we kind of went to another one. So at any rate, well, now the cat's out of the bag. Now I'm going to keep doing this, I guess. I mean, I can close this. At any given time, I could just close this off. We don't have to keep rolling. And I'll just trade again. Look at that sell stop to the 1 minute blue line again. Ricochet, titanium. Awesome, Amy Lou. That is awesome, Amy Lou. Very awesome. I think Billy still has my phone number. Billy, if you want to call me when you're ready, feel free. Titanium. It's 10:18.
Billy, if you're at work, don't get in trouble though.
Yeah, but that is true for real. Don't do that. My God. Billy's just getting on his feet, got everything good. And then, oh, no, I don't want to be responsible for that, Billy. I'm buying after the first. Nice country music. Welcome aboard. I mean, everyone here is helping everyone make money. I don't know. I mean, 94 people watching. Well, any given time, 100 people watching. TikTok, how many? Let's see. Oh, okay. That's respectable. I can live on TikTok with that. I wish TikTok would grow. All right. We can wait for Billy to call in. Country music now. Would you like to call in? Henry, would you like to call in? I don't think two silly Siberians can call in because he sees patients right now. Or Dr. McCain.
Being a doctor.
I would recommend Henry starting with 0. And Henry, if you want to call in, we can talk and you can ask your questions live with me, by the way. I think we can do a Zoom too if you're out of country. We can do a Zoom. Hey, what happened to that one? Oh, I thought I had it right there. Yeah, I had a box right there. I know, doesn't it feel good? I love it. Fans are great. Because otherwise that was off. It'd be hot as hell in here. Turn it off, baby. Turn it off. I'll get up.
No, it's fine.
No, baby.
It's going to get hot in here. It gets hot in here because all the computers.
Yeah. I would start with nothing. Do demo trading only, Henry, for the first month. You want to be like Phil. And if you haven't heard Phil's story, go back. Look up Philip Wacker in YouTube. Motivation says Philip. And then listen to his story. His story is absolutely incredible. So is Billy's. That's why I want him to tell it. I won't ruin Billy's story yet. But Philip's story is he had never traded anything before in his life. And then he bought the system. And then he didn't know anything. He didn't know what a buy stop was, sell stop was. He didn't know what lines were. He didn't know what anything was, which is good. It proved to his benefit. But then he listened to my training session over and over and over again for 5 weeks. He never traded at all. And he didn't do anything. All he had is the symbols. All he had was the indicators installed in Eagle FX. And then Billy went and Philip then went and traded only SPX demo for a month. And he still didn't have any money in there. Then he put $2,500 in his live account this past December. And then Philip, who's never traded before, turned $2,500 into 33,000 euros in less than in his first month, I should say, December. And then year to date, Philip, who had never traded before in his life, has a 94% win percentage with my system. Philip has made 440,000 euros. Philip has quit his government job of $140,000 a year, Austria. Philip has a Bentley being delivered on 8/14, my youngest daughter's birthday. He has a customized some version of some fancy ass Bentley coming. And it's all because of the safety trade system. So be like Phil is what I always say. Instead of be like Mike, be like Phil. So you don't want to put any money in your trading account initially. And when you do go live, I would say $200 trade only SPX. And then from there, you could do whatever you want. I'm going to study 12 weeks to beat Philip. Well, if you do, Scott, you will beat Philip because then you'll be a master at it. And Philip did not have at his time the resources of the sniper. If Philip would have had the sniper, boy, I don't know what he would have done. $1 billion by now, $2 million. I have no idea. I can't as I'm at work. Country music at work. Okay, buddy. We don't want to get you in trouble, country music now. I'm going to study 12 weeks, Scott. We all have comments back. Okay. Anyone have any questions that I can answer? You can email them in. Yeah, I had a little box up there that I had email your thing, and I had the email there. That's why I did it. Maybe I should put it down here on the left now. Is that part of the box thing? Hold on. Oh, that's the box. Oh, okay. Let me move that out of the way. See, then I can type in. You see my point? Watch. I'm going to do this. So people can know that the email, if I'm making sense here. Email. No, I've got to bring that up again. Titanium. It's bulletproof. Boy, now, how do I do this? Oh, you know what? I can't move it though. Safety trade system at gmail.com. Is that correct? I can't move that one now. And now it's in the way of its own self. That's ironic.
Billy said send your number.
Okay. How do we send this number? I've downloaded them. I'm buying Ice Cream Pro after your live is over. My Eagle account is set. Awesome. Always record your sessions. I used up so much memory. I blew up this computer, actually. I've got to delete something. So a sell stop 1 minute US30. Always record your sessions. The whole point of recording your sessions is you can rewatch each training session, each correct buy you do or sell you do using the system. You can rewatch it 100 times and get 100 days worth of training. You can rewatch it 365 times fast. You can go back and forth a minute, two, here, there, 365 times. You can get a year's worth of training in a matter of an hour. You can condense a decade's worth of training into a day, a week at the most. You just redo. Isn't that amazing to me? That's just so cool that that's possible. How do we get a hold of Billy? I need to send phone number? How do I write Billy?
Just email.
Oh, he did? Titanium.
Right there. Very top.
Right here? Oh. Hi, coach. Send me your number, please. Sure. No. 259. Oh, shit. God. It's titanium. Sending you the number now, Billy Willie. Okay, we're really going to have to try to call Ray. I feel bad at this point. Hold on. 75.25. That's why I look. And I have that wrong too. Okay. I think that's the right number. Here we go. Let me turn on my little speaker thing. Carpet. All right, we might have a call in here in just a minute from Billy. And I want Billy to tell his own story, and I hope the volume's good and the speaker's good and everything. 1 minute sell stop again for like the 15th time this morning to the blue line, US 30. I haven't confirmed that with the sniper, however, so let me take a look real quick. Let me see something. Yep, purple's got to come up a little bit more, but you can enter if you like. I would just wait a little bit. That's me. You want the purple to arch up a little bit more on this, but it is late. It's another sell. I don't know. Do whatever. But you made money on the sell, the buy, and the sell, and the sell already. I would let this come up a little bit more. You can see that it's not quite peaked yet. All right. Who else do we need over here? This one over here. All right, Billy, I sent you the number. 1 minute snipe. Sam, I am. Country music. They think I'm listening to music. Nice country music now. I'm back and I did my research. Now I understand. Sorry for the question. That's okay, Rahul. That's what we're here for. But some of the questions you get through training, and it's just you don't really need to ask it. We'll go over that with you, I promise. There's your 1 minute sell. Feel free. It's titanium. Sing it, Precious. I haven't even checked the cameras over there. Let's see.
We would have heard the alarm.
Right. I just want to make sure Max is still there, which he is. Doors are still okay. We're good. All right, guys. Well, if Billy calls in, we'll talk for a minute. Uh-oh. Sure hope this is Billy, by the way. Billy? Oh, I think that's you. Hold on 1 second. We're connecting to the little speaker thing. I don't know what's taking so long. How about now? Can you talk now, Billy? Oh, nope. Damn. Hold on. Oh, hold on 1 second. No, I can't hear you yet. How about now?
No problem. No problem. Let me.
There you go.
Can you hear me, Coach?
I can hear you now, Billy.
How are you? No problem. You okay, Coach?
There you go. I'm great, Billy. How are you, sir?
Absolutely fantastic. Thanks to you, Coach. Yeah, lovely.
You're not getting any trouble by sneaking around work, are you?
No, I've just told him I'm going on a sneaky little break. I'm all right.
Okay. If you can speak nice and loud for people to hear you, it's like a little fuzzy on your end.
Yeah, no problem. So what did you want me to go over, Coach?
Well, why don't you tell your story from the beginning? Because a lot of people here now, and I don't think they heard how great and how awesome you've overcome things and how you started and 6 months ago and where you're at now. Do you mind sharing that again?
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. Yeah. So to all the you guys who are on the fence of buying the system out there, just don't even think about it. Just go for it. Everything that Coach is saying is 100% accurate. There are a lot of gurus out there who tarnish the name of Forex, and they're just nothing. This is the real deal. In my personal story, in a nutshell, 6-7 months ago, I was homeless. I lost everything. I was living out of my car. I came across Coach on TikTok. I had my last £500, $500, whatever you are, left to my name. So I followed the Coach for about a month. I loved absolutely everything that Coach was doing. So I just took the risk. I thought, I'm going to risk it. I've got nothing else to lose. I mean, I'm in rock bottom anyway. The worst thing that was going to happen to me was I was going to lose another $500. So I went for it. I did everything that Coach asked me. I trained SPX one single for about 50, 60 times a day for about a month, 2 months, I think it was. Once I got used to the system, I opened up a live account and grew my account from there. So I went from literally having zero to now having about £6,500, £7,000 in my own broker account. Personally, I've got another £2,000 in my actual bank account, live money, which I'm actually spending. And for me, being, I'm 45 years of age, so I'm no young spring chicken, but I've got a lot of catching up to do. I've got access to my children. I'm living in my own flat. I've got my own computers where I could trade from, where I was sneaking around after hours, sneaking into libraries, trying to use their Wi-Fi. I'm a typical rags to riches. I mean, I wouldn't say riches, but I'm getting there, and I'm going to create my own story.
That's
honestly
awesome. So were you homeless, Billy? 6 months ago, were you living out of your car? I don't think people caught the whole.
Yeah. So six months ago, I was living out of my car. I literally nothing to my name. I lost my children. I lost my wife. I lost my home. I lost everything. I had nothing to my name apart from $500. I just went with the system, and that was it. It just got better and better. And this is just the system. Then, Coach, your input, Bri's input, all the free upgrades that you are giving us that are costing $500 a month, you're giving away for free. They're life changing. Even the little extra bits that you're helping us with. I mean, the latest bulk break trades that you've just. I know they've been there for a while, but we haven't actually touched on it a lot. But I've been using that for the last month, and wow, absolutely wow! With the sniper system, it's I'm overwhelmed right now. I'm tearing up right now how good this system is and how you are changing lives. People need patience. There's a lot of people out there. I'm reading from the comments that, I've downloaded this. I want to get on it now, and I want to make money. It doesn't work like that. Get on it. Practice, and I'm telling you from my own personal experience, listen to what Coach says, give yourself 2 months max, just demo trade. Those 2 months of your pure trading will put you 5 years ahead of your life right now.
Yeah.
And I am proof of that. I can send you pictures, I can send you videos, I can send you everything that you need of proof where I was and where I am right now. And it's getting better and better. I mean, right now, I finished working an hour. My children are waiting for me at home. We've got a table booked at a restaurant. I couldn't imagine doing that, 6 months ago. Never in a million years.
Nice.
We could go out, we could dress up, we could smell good, we could go out. It's about living life. It's not always about money. It's about creating the life that you want for your loved ones around you. And that's what's more important.
Amen. Awesome. Oh my goodness. I give me goosebumps on that, Billy, every time. I'm on the phone. We're on the live session with Billy. He's are you directly from England? I don't want to say the wrong thing.
Sorry, say that again, Coach.
Are you from England? Are you from Scotland? Are you from Ireland? Are you from?
Yeah. I'm from England. I'm from the UK.
Yeah. UK. Okay. So he's from England. 6 months ago, Billy was homeless, living out of his car, sneaking into libraries, get the Wi-Fi as friend let him into the library after hours so he can use it to trade. And then he traded so successfully using the system. He's got his own place, his own computer. I'm so glad you even have more money since last time we talked. He's got a couple $1,000s to count. He's got about $7,000 in a trading account. He takes his kids out, which is like he's saying the most important thing in the history of the world is children. I mean, he's living life again, back on his feet again. And I believe he had a goal. You had a goal last time of how much? 50,000 by the end of the year you wanted to have saved?
Yeah, 50,000. Yeah.
I believe in you. I told you I would never doubt you. Whatever you say, I 100% believe. That's it. That's what I would say. Now, anybody?
I thought it's all thanks to you, Coach. So everyone on the fence now thinking about buying this system, don't think about it. Just go for it. You've got Coach to back you up every single step of the way. Him and Bri make an absolute golden team.
Yes, me and Bri do make a golden team. She's smiling over there. Thank you, Billy, for including her. She's obviously beyond super important with everything. So does anybody have questions for Billy? Does anybody? There's 80 something. Actually, yeah, but we'll say 80. About 80 and 30, so about 100, 150 people listening. Does anybody have any questions for Billy? It says, now how can you argue with that? He did it for his kids. Absolutely. That's what you got to do. You have to have your motivation. Way to go, Billy, Henry said. Well said, Billy, said Azar. FX, excellent, said Billy is amazing. He went for it and so should you too. Yep. There you go. I hope everyone out there listened to it. It's very succinct, short story, but oh my God, if you're not motivated, if you have an excuse, I always tell people now, Billy, they're probably going to hate you because I always say, Billy, I said, if Billy can do it, being no home, out of his car, having to sneak in from a library to get internet and to get his trade and get his account set up, and if he could be successful with it, none of you have any excuses. And I think people, they're going to go, damn, I got no excuses. You know what I mean? So you might.
Yeah, they shouldn't. Again, Coach, there shouldn't be no excuses. I mean, as I said before, I want to make it clear. I'm a lot older than a lot of the guys on your team. I mean, as I said, I'm hitting 45 towards the end of the year. And I just want to make one thing absolutely clear. It's not always about money. I've lost it all, and I'm on my way of gaining it back again. Again, it's about learning the skill. I mean, one of the things that I really want to achieve as well, I've always wanted to do Christmas in New York with my children. So end of the year, what I'm hoping to do is try to make that true. So book tickets for my kids, go to New York, spend Christmas there. And it's about creating memories. It's about learning the skill. Once you've got this skill, I mean, even if I go to New York, as long as I've got my phone and my laptop, I'm making money wherever I go around the world. Amen. It's the skill that you are developing with you, Coach. It's not about the money. It's about the skill that you're learning. And you can trade from anywhere around the world. That's what's most important.
Me and Bri,
learn that
we're
skill.
In Vegas. Me and Bri were in Florida. 100% agree with what you're saying. By the way, I've been in New York City during Christmas. It's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. Take your kids. You're going to make a great memory. It's fantastic. Now, next question was,
thank you very much, Coach.
Joe and Cindy said, Billy, what was your light bulb moment that it clicked for you? Do you remember a time when things started, you see things clearly? What was that?
It's the live tradings that changed everything for me. I mean, having everything on pen and paper and have everything on your type form is good. Take notes. Don't just follow what Kev is saying. Get your notepad out. Take notes. For me personally, taking notes sinks in more into my head than actually following lives every single day. The lives are fantastic for live calls if you're not available to, try to take time out, try to work the trade that yourself. But take notes. As soon as you take notes, boom, it hits you. Follow the lives, because I'm telling you, every single live that I've heard from Coach, there's always a little bit extra that you pick up. Coach might teach you stuff 10 times, the same thing, over and over again. You might get it on the 11th. So keep following those live calls. You will always learn something new. And for me, the break of the moment was, for me, the game changer was the bot break trade, Coach. I mean, honestly, I don't know how you've done it. You are an absolute genius, sir. That's all I've got to say. Because honestly, if I would have missed those last few sessions, I wouldn't have caught the bot break trade. And since then, even my drawdown is very, very minimum. I was having issues with drawdown. That was because of my entries. But now, boom, 2 seconds, I'm in profit. Within 10 minutes to 12 minutes, I've actually hit take profit. So all my trades, 10 to tips I aim for, and they hit 99.9% of the time, I'm in the money.
Nice. Yeah, the sniper was something. You're right. Country Music asked, how much money did you start with when you started to trade, Billy?
So my live account, when I started out, I put £100 in. Dollar-wise, I think that would be about $80, $90 compared to the UK rate. So I started off with 100. I only traded SPX on a 0.01, as you suggested, for the first month. For the first month, I went from 50, I believe I went to just under £2,000 in a month.
Damn.
And that was, even that on its own is crazy gains. On a 0.01, it's not heard of. Huh. It is not heard of.
That's
making that kind of money on a 0.01.
In a month, you made 2,000. Well, euros, so 2,000 euros. Wow. Even Bri's like, wow.
That's crazy good.
Yeah, it was unbelievable. And the more confident you get with the system, obviously you start increasing your lot size a little. Obviously, you try to keep your risk as manageable as possible. But then you get so confident with the system, you can't help but just increase your lot size just to earn that little bit extra. And it works. And it works absolutely every single time.
It's amazing story. Just you turning in. Do you remember the £100 into 2,000 a month is just psychotically? People, no, you can't do it. It's you money risk management. You can only do 2% a day and blah, get the fuck out of here. With the system, you do anything you want to do. My question though was, and I forgot what it was when you did those 100 to 200. Oh, damn it. I forgot the 2,000. It was, dang it. I forgot what I was going to ask you, Billy. I'm so sorry. That is incredible. So Country Music. Good going, Billy. You're an inspiration, Billy. You're a hero, Billy. Learn the skill, according to the thing. Yep. Awesome, says Health, Family, Wealth. You go, Mr. Billy, says Crypto Fox Indies. G. Lachey says, awesome, Billy. So a lot of people are commenting in here. As soon as they single two models, single. Yep, absolutely. All right. I think we're golden. I had a question. I don't remember what it was. We'll have to have you on again. Sell stop 1 minute, but I don't know if it's confirmed with the sniper. What is your win rate? That's what I was going to get you. What is your current win rate? Do you know? And what has it been like this last month or couple of weeks? What has it been?
So when I started out for the first 3-4 months, my win rate was around the 85, 86%, which is still absolutely amazing. The ones that I lost out, obviously I was still learning the system. So it was all, my mistakes. My entries were either too close. It wasn't giving the trade enough breathing space and hook me in and go the opposite way, but eventually go back my way. So what I've learned to do is just let the trades come to you. You don't have to hit the trade pinpoint every single time. Let your trade breathe. Give it a bit more room, and trust me on this process. It will go your direction. It will hook you in and will go down your direction. So at the minute, I'm sitting on about 97 to 98% win rate.
Nice. Woo!
And honestly, I'm telling you, Coach, I'm going to be just like you, mate. I'm going to be 99.9%. By the time I finish, I'm going to have at least, I've got a handful of friends. I'm going to get them all on it. And even my children, my eldest is coming to 17 now. So he's got another year. All my children, I've got no plans, unless they want to go into a profession where they want to be doctors and lawyers. I can't stop from that. But I want them to trade. What other business can you make this kind of money from anywhere around the world, working your own hours and having the community that you have. I mean, it's not just you and Bri coach that we've got. You've got the whole Discord group. They're amazing. There's some fellas on there that, you know, will message you and you think, I missed that one out, you know. And that's more important as well. The family that you created around us is unbelievable. You've actually created a mini movement. And that's amazing. In the trading world, I mean, you got to understand, I've been in and out of trading for the last 6-7 years. And I've paid, you know, I don't want to think about it. You know, I've paid $2,000, £2,500 for courses, where they send you basic ebooks. And, you know, you don't get no support, no nothing. This is you waking up 3-4 times in the morning saying, oh, jump on live, look what I've discovered. And, oh, look what I've just done. And that on its own is worth the $500 all day long.
Thank you, Billy. Very kind words. It says, great story and journey. EA says, Terry Go says, thank you for your story, Billy. Praise God. Now, Martelak 1 says, be my mentor, Billy. What do you say to that?
Oh, I would love to join forces. I think you should do that. Have a little mental chat anyway, you know, for the guys who are doing half decent and want to answer questions. I mean, I think that gives them a boost of confidence for themselves as well. I would absolutely love to be in a position where I'm helping people trying to win with the safety trade system. But we've got you, coach. You know, you've done most of the work for us. And you're fantastic at answering questions on the live and that. So, but again, if anybody has got any questions, with the permission of coach, I mean, if you want to email me anything or DM me any messages available, the only time I can't answer is when I'm at work. But when I'm out of work, I live, breathe, eat the trade safety system. So just let me know whenever. I will do it. I will do as much as I can to help you out.
Yep. Thank you. So SD says, Billy named it. The key is allowing the trade to breathe. True. Earning money from anywhere and blessing others along the way is the dream. Absolutely. Country music now. Ramahaj says, wow. Awesome determination is Yoda man. Ramahaj, mind blown. Henry says, whoa. Awesome. Martel X says, awesome. Yep. So there you go. And I think a lot of people are listening to you, Billy. So I'm not going to hold you up anymore. Thank you very, very, very much again for coming on and sharing it. And last time was I think probably every couple of weeks. That's okay, Billy. I'm just going to bring you back on and inspire people again, because I love the fact you take away all the excuses, because they have a house, they have internet, they have money, they have a job, and yet they still can't succeed. No, that's silly. You did it without any of it. So, you know.
No, again, thanks. It's all thanks to you, coach. You, Bri, and everything. And I'll keep thanking you. And it might be starting to sound a bit boring now, but honestly, I can't thank you guys enough. You are changing lives out there. It's not just mine. You know, my kids are happy. You know, and for that, I can't thank you enough. I mean, it's not all about me. I've had
the kids.
All the dreams of having the, you know, having the big cars and the big houses. I'm not too much.
Right, I agree with that.
You know, the people around you. That's what matters. You want to leave a legacy behind, and you know, what else to leave them behind but a great money-making skill. Yeah, that's what I want for them.
Okay, me and you get along really good, Billy, because you're speaking words from my heart right there. Yeah. Absolutely. Thank you for coming on, says Estee. Wow, inspiring, says Lock. So yeah, all right, Billy. Well, thank you and God bless. Have yourself a good couple weeks.
No problem.
I want to hear some more good news. We bring you on in a couple more weeks. Keep kicking ass. Keep getting that 97% win rate.
Yeah, I'll keep going, coach. Just let me know whenever you want me to come back on, and I'll come back on again, coach. No problem.
I think I'm going to save your number this time, so I have it. All right.
Yeah. No problem. See you later, coach.
All right. Take care and God bless. Thanks, Billy. All right.
See you. Bye.
Aww. Everyone, how freaking awesome was that? Everyone was thrilled. Everyone liked that. Okay. Thank you. Let me turn that off. Thank you, Billy, for coming on yet again and sharing your story.
Thanks, Billy.
Yay. Everyone thank Billy for coming on. Again, recap Billy. 6 months ago, Billy was living out his car. Billy had no money. He had very little money. He didn't have a relationship with his children because everything was terrible. So he had living out of his car. He had nothing. Billy was listening to me, came across me on TikTok, said, hey, who's that crazy dude? Started listening in, said, hey, that might work. Used his last few $100s he had left, euros he had left. He lives in England. Billy then bought the system. Then Billy didn't, even though he's desperate for the money. He listened to me and watched his training videos. Even though he's desperate for the money, Billy then only traded SPX on demo. Even though Billy was needing the money, he then went live. Billy took $100 and made it into $2,000 euros, 100 euros to 2,000 euros in 1 month. His first month live trading, he did it trading only SPX on 0.001 lot size. Billy then he has now $7,000 saved in his trading account, $2,000 in his checking account. He has a house or apartment to stay at. He has internet. He has a computer. He has a relationship back with his children. You can tell how much important it is. He wants to take his 2 children, or was it 2 children? His children to New York City with him. I can't remember if it was 2 or 3. I thought it was 3 too when I said that. So maybe 3 children. I'm giving you more children if you don't have them, Billy. And he's going to take his children or attempt to take his children to New York City and see New York City at Christmas time. It is gorgeous, by the way. It's absolutely stunningly gorgeous. And it'll be quite like he's telling you, to have memories with your loved ones, with your wives and your children and your whoever. Just have great relationships and great memories that you could share. Just amazing. Thank you again, Billy, for that story. Just uplifting. He literally, a lot of you are going to be really embarrassed or hate yourselves or whatever, because Billy did it without anything. Billy is successful on the system with a 97% win rate, and he was living out of his car with no computer, no internet, no nothing. He had to use the internet and these computers from the library after hours. His friend will let him in. So you have no excuses now to not win at trading. None whatsoever. You can win at trading using the system. Billy's living proof of it. So if he can overcome what he overcame, you guys surely can do what you got to do.
Oh, 5. He has 5 kids.
5 kids. Woohoo! 5 kids.
I remember that it was an odd number.
Yeah. Damn. Good job, Billy. You're having a lot of kids there. Teach them all, Billy. They'll all be rich. And your whole family be wealthy. Wouldn't that be cool? Would love to have Phil on again. Absolutely love Phil on again. That was so awesome, says Amy Lou. Yay. Nice, says FX Excellence. Killer phone call. Thanks, Billy. Thank you, Metal Mind. Awesome attitude, Billy. Isn't it, Haroon? Marlac. Thank you, Billy. Anthony Villavosa. Yep, there you go. Thank you, Billy, says Country Music. Sam UK. Excellent. Crazy, dude. You can go live with the demo. No, you get a no. You can't go live with demo account. If you went demo at first, you'd have to reference the demo account to your live account to make the trades. But everyone does it all day long. You just put your indicators on either a live account with a small amount in there, or you can put it on the demo account. Just make sure you make 1 trade a month. Thank you, Billy. Says, I can't read it. I am also a father. I'm now crying with this story. Oh, looking good. That's awesome. 5 kids. No wonder he was living in his car. Not anymore. He's made so much money. I don't have to worry about that. Billy, if you come to New York, I will drive out and have a pint and a pizza with you, says Henry. Nice. Nice, Henry. Yeah, I bet you John, my best friend in New York City, he'll come too. He'll come visit you. Thank you, Billy, says Crypto Fox Indy. 5 kids. Wow. All right. We're going to end it. Sell stop. So the 1 minute blue line is occurring. You're in the money. It's happening now before your very eyes. It's going down. You can clearly see a sell stop form. Look at it. You can see the sell stop form directly in front of your eyes on US 31 minute. You can also see the clear fact that pink had crossed and came down. You can also see that blue arched up. And if you look over here on the sniper, it went, yep, pink came up. See, this I was always showing you. Pink came up against the blue. Boom, there it is. Here it comes coming down. You'll see this drop down. You'll see price come down just like it is. Money, money, money. You're already in the money. You can sell this trade, keep one open, lock one in, let the other one run. And there you go. And that's going to go down to there. And it's all because of whether you like or want the sniper. You don't need it. That's without it. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. I should have had Billy go over that with you guys. And then look right here with the sniper if you wanted it. Blue arched up. They all 3 arched up. That's when there's a big boy coming. That's when that's the big boy. And then that's why it was coming down. So doop. And there it is. Do, 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 do. Down, 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 down. Every one of these things is an indicator. I can go over that with you. All right. Does anybody want me to explain the sell stop that's happening right now? Love the sniper. I'm just watching the trades play out. Isn't it amazing? Kimberly Harrington, the gold queen. And it works on gold wonderfully, Kim. And it works on everything wonderfully. There it is. There's the sniper. Does anybody want me to go over any of the trade? What's up, Erica? Looking good, Crypto Fox. Does anybody want me to go over how to make a safety trade live with you guys like you're seeing right before your very eyes yet again? Look at it go down. Look at it go down. Look at it go down. Bippity boppity boo. Boo. Easy peasy, says Henry. It is easy peasy. Jobina L. You want me to go over it? Absolutely. Let's go over it, Jobina, and then we're out of here. Here we go. The trade that you're currently seeing is you couldn't see the future without the system, right? So this is what you're going to see. I'm going to show you it without the sniper and how easy it is. So, Jobina, country music, either one of you, have either one of you gone swimming and tried to live? Yes or no? People laugh at that. Country music or Jobina, have either one of you tried to swim? Explanation away. Bathroom break time so I can watch. Awesome. I'm going to do it as quickly as I can. I could do it in about 3 minutes. I just need answers. Yes, says Jobina. All right. So Jobina has been swimming. So watch this. We're going to go ahead and go right here. And this is what you see. Watch. So right here, this is all you need to know when you trade. Oh, let me move this back to here. Hold on one second. So you don't have to get too confused. Watch. Doop, doop. Doop, doop. Right here. All you see up against this white blob right here is this bottom indicator called real direction bar 3. Right? Red, red, red. The bullshit detector, this green one right here is the bullshit detector. It's green. And then the box, the most important indicator in history of the world, is red, red. And then you have these little lines up here, which don't mean a whole bunch, but we don't care. Price action is the green one. That's all. So watch. If you've never been swimming, that's okay, country music, because you're dead. That's all right. But Jobina has been swimming and tried to live. So here we go. Jobina then is right here. The representation in our system is this easy. Green means up, red means down. So watch what this happens. Broken box form US 30. We'll look again. I've been swimming, but not on the verge of drowning, trying to live. Right. So we're going to go ahead and say Jobina is swimming. That's the green up. She's trying to swim and stay above the water. Does that analogy make sense to you, Jobina? Does that analogy make sense to you, country music? The analogy is green means up. So Jobina is swimming in the water, in the ocean, and it's green, and that means up. Okay? So does everyone follow along? You guys can all answer. Is that a yes or no? You guys, yes. Jobina. Okay, so Jobina, country music comes along. Country music now grabs one of your arms, Jobina, because he doesn't like you for some unknown reason. So country music, this red indicator means down. So it's pulling you under. He's trying to pull you under the water. And then you have Henry grab another one of your arms, this red indicator, pulling you down. And then you have Billy, who's the nicest guy on earth. For some reason, he really doesn't like you. He grabs one of your legs. So you have two grown men pulling your arms down, and you have another grown man pulling one of your legs down to pull you down under the water. Does that make sense, Jobina, that you're trying to pull you under the water? So watch what happens. Jobina then has really made enemies. Tony gets a hold of Jobina from the top of the ocean and starts pushing her down. And then watch what happens here. You have Michelle gets the other red line, pushes her down, Jobina down too. And then you have our logo, which I'll get to in a second. And then you have it's going to the blue line. And then you have the red line over here, the red arrow over here. And so now you're literally one poor little Jobina trying to stay up with 1, 2, 3 people pulling her under, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it can get up to 23 different people pushing and pulling her under. Jobina, I don't know you, but I don't want you to drown. But in reality is you don't have a chance to stay above the water. You have everyone pulling and you pushing you under the water. Does that make sense? So the trade had no chance but to go down, and it did. And the exact same thing happened before it right here too, by the way. This one same that same thing. Red, 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 green, red, red, down, 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 down. And the trade had no, and it doesn't matter. This is done on a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. The same pattern will produce the same results. You will go down. Did that make sense to you, Jobina? Let me go, people. That's funny. Did that make sense to you, country music now? Did that analogy make sense to you guys? If not, that's fine, but that's my usual one I go to. Again, if you were Michael Phelps on steroid, is my quote, you couldn't have stayed up no matter what. So the trade went down. Look, it did it here. The same pattern. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. It did it here. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Then it's going down. It's going down before your very eyes. It does it on the 1 hour. It does it on the 4 hour. It does it on ups. It does it on the complete opposite. This is a 1 hour US 30 buy stop, it's called. Green, 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 red, green, green, and it goes up. And by the way, you want to know how much it goes? Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. So if you'd have got in this one like I did, by the way, you would have went up initially about 166 pips. But if you'd have stayed in the trade, you'd be up 1,200 pips. To put that in perspective for you, whether it's points or pips, that is 10 pips is the average number of pips a professional trader makes a day, and this is 1,200. Great teach, says T-Mark. Good job, Jobina. Let me go, people. It's still funny. Country music now. Yes, it makes sense. Easy peasy. Everybody on TikTok get the idea. This is buy stops. Those are sell stops. I can go back and show you sell stops, buy stops, sell stops, buy. They're all over. They just keep on over and over again. Here's one. Look at that one right there, right in the middle. Watch, right here. This thing right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Poop, pop it goes. There you go. 300 pips, 320 pips. That's it. So whatever works going up, works going down. Whatever works going down, works going up. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether the market goes up or down. You make money. It does it on dailies. Look, it does it on weeklies. It does it on monthlies. It does it all over and over and over and over again. It does it on every symbol. It does it on NAS. Does it on gold. Does it on oil. Does it on XRP. Look at XRP. XRP was a daily buy stop right here before it jumped up and doubled in price. Green, 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 red, green, green. I was calling this out 6 days before it happened to the blue line. I was calling the trade out. It wasn't at 40 cents. It went up to 92 cents. You doubled your money on this one trade on XRP. So it works on cryptos. It works on gold. It works on oil. It works on stocks. It works on Amazon. Same exact trade. Amazon, go to the 1 hour. There's some buy stops right here. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Everywhere. Works on Amazon. Works on NVIDIA, Tesla, France, Japan 225, platinum, gold, Apple, oil, UK oil, Ethereum, Bitcoin, GBP, USD, EUR, USD. It works on everything. Doesn't matter. Every time you see the patterns, they repeat weekly, monthly, daily. It works on everything. Every time, without doubt, it works. Every time. That's it. So you can't get any better. Oh, touchdown. We have touchdown. Congratulations. We are now touching. It's official. US 30 hit its 1 minute. Trade is complete. Close down one, keep one open. There it is. And here it is, what it looks like, exactly what it looked like if you had the sniper, which is just a more advanced trading system. See how they all went down? Boop. It's just a little add-on, $150 a month. You don't have to get it. I showed you the trade without it. Every trade I showed you without it. But with the sniper system, it just makes it easier. There it is. This trade was given to you free, but to me, you'd have been up 32 pips. But you wouldn't have been up that once. You'd have been up 60 pips. You'd have been up 35 pips, and then you would have been up 32 pips. All called out live this morning, so you've been up over 120 pips, which means money. It just means a lot of money to you. And there you go. You're welcome. Yay. So we need to use Eagle FX trade system. You need to have this system installed on Eagle FX. You can trade anywhere you want to trade. You can trade on Hugo's Way. You can trade on Forex.com. You can trade on Nadex. You can trade on Thinkorswim. You put the system on Eagle FX, demo or real. If you're in demo, you have to use it once a month. Real, you can put like $20 in or $50 in and just keep it there. And then you can trade any other broker you want, but the system is coded to work on Eagle FX. Thank you, Health, Family Wealth. Thank you, Eric. I'm glad it makes sense to you, Country Music. Did it make sense to you, Jobina? I hope it did. And Heron, you got the answer. Now that touch it, that becomes a buy. No, it does not. Looking good. Absolutely not. The simplest system I've ever used. If you ever want to trade, you can't afford not to have it, period. Thank you, Rahmaj. That is correct. What's up, Tuxie? Thanks, Kev. God bless. You're welcome. I'm done. We're out of here. Any other questions from people on TikTok? I'm going to stop on YouTube here. Any other questions on TikTok going once? Any other questions on TikTok going twice? Any other questions on TikTok going? 3 times. I so got this watch the trying video over and over. Absolutely. Just the training video over and over. Absolutely, Henry. Thank you, Ramhaj. God bless you too. Looking good. Now that touch becomes by. No, absolutely not looking good. That is not correct. All right, guys. Bye on TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and go over to YouTube channel, Safety Trades. So in case you want to head over there too, feel free. And TikTok, we're out of here. I did something different on TikTok. I put us under news and events. How many people are there right now? 37. I like that. So I changed it. Azar, you're welcome, Azar. Sorry, I lost it. So I changed it other than entertainment or whatever it was. I changed it to news and events. I don't know if that helped or not, but maybe. All right. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Anybody? Kevin, what's good? What's up, Lou? What's good? God, Bree, my family, friends. Thank you, Sam. You're welcome, Sam. Thank you. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Herod. Hi, Kevin. It's Henry. What's up, Henry? How you been, Henry? Dozier Big Boy. Lou W100. All right. God bless you all. Have a great, wonderful day. We shall see you later today, Lord willing. I didn't come on last night, but I'm going to try to come on tonight. All right. Thank you all on YouTube. You little YouTubers.
Hi, YouTubers.
Bree says bye. How high do you think I'm, Naz? In Naz? Naz? Hold on, guys. Got to go. Is that Uncle Mike? We got to call him. We got to hunt him. I don't know where he's at. What are we at? 1 minute, Naz? 1 minute, Naz. Naz is a sell. Naz is a sell. Sell stop Naz to the 1 minute blue line. 2 out of 3 scanner. 2 out of 3 scanner. Sell Naz to the blue line. Naz 1 minute sell to the blue line. Naz 1 minute sell. SPX 1 minute sell to the blue line. Oh, geez, I'm gonna have to put my own mark in here to tag this thing. Look at it, baby. Bam. And then Naz. Absolutely. It's not going up. Not right now. Naz is a sell stop. Just wait for it to form a sell and then go back in. It's going to drop on the next one to the blue line. None here. Thank you. And thank God for you. Oh, thanks, Country Music now. Bye, Eric. Bye, Green Mountains. And then Marlek, I completely straightened you out on that one. Be careful with that bye. I mean, maybe later it will. I don't know. Not now. All right. See you guys. Precious, anything for everybody?
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.
Have a great
All right.
day.
Awesome, baby. Mike's still live for this second, but we had a fantastic. Is that could be any more better this morning? Come on now. Crazy how good that was. All right.